Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to clear the border or border lines on your Microsoft Excel app on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to clear all borders in line in your Microsoft Excel web, we're just going to show. First of all, we're just going to draw a border first. So clicking on the border section, just going to border. So I just need to clear all borders. So I just want to select this border first. Then I click on the border option here, and here you will see option called clear all, and click on this. Now you can see the border I just selected will be cleared. So for an example, I just need to clear this portion in this border section. So click on the border option here, and you will see this option called clear all borders. Click on this and you can see it's erased, and you can find the erased section. So the remaining section has been shown. So you can just select everything totally like this, and also you can just click on this and click on the clear all, so which will clear all the borders you applied. This is how you just clear the borders on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.